Here are a set of exponential equations which are kind of tricky. We need to change the base to solve these equations. I'll do a couple of them for you, and then you follow the method to solve the rest. The very first one here is 4 to the power of x plus 2 equals to 8. The idea is to write 8 as a power of something which is same as 4, but it's kind of difficult. When it is difficult, what we can do is we can think about changing their base. Base, if I change to 2, then I can write 8 as 2 cube and 4 as 2 square. So we get the same base. Once we get the same base, we can compare the exponents and get our answer. So that is the strategy. So the strategy here is to change base. Right? So we should have a common base to solve these equations. In this case, the common base could be 3, right? Here, the common base is 5. And in this case, common base could be 2, right? So that is how we can solve these equations. Now let me do one of them for you. 9 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 27. I can write 9 as 3 square, right? So I have 3 square, and this is to the power of x plus 1 equals to 27. 27 is 3 cube. Now we have the same base, 3 and 3, right? And the exponent is 2 times x plus 1. Let me rewrite this. 3 to the power of 2 times x plus 1 equals to 3 cube. Now it's clear, right? We applied the exponential laws. So exponent of exponent, they get multiplied. Now since the base is same, exponent should be equal. So we get 2x plus 2, or 2 times x plus, let me now, because I didn't open the bracket. 2 times x plus 1 equals to 3. Let's solve for x from this equation. So we open the bracket now. 2x plus 2 equals to 3. Now from here, 2x equals to 3 minus 2, that is 1, and x is equals to 1 over 2, half. So that helps. So change of base helps to solve this kind of question. You can always check your answer. 9 to the power of x plus 1 equals to 27. Replace x with half and see what you get. That means 9 to the power of half plus 1, 3 over 2 is 27, right? That is what you are going to get. Now let me do the first one also for you. Easy, right? Or should I write down the equation for the last one? Well, up to you. I think you get it. Replace 4 with 2 square, and 8 of course will be 2 cube. Then 2 times x plus 2 equals to 3. Solve for x. Here, same thing. So 4 replaced by 2 square. So 2 times x plus 1 equals to 32, which is 2 to the power of 5. Now in this case, it is 5 to the power of something, right? So you can use calculator, figure it out. And 25 is 5 square. Equate the exponents and get your answer. So that is how these exponential equations could be solved. Remember, if it is not possible or if it is difficult to change the base to a common thing, we can always change both the bases. That is the whole idea, right? So as in this case, we change the base from 4 to 2, 8 to 2. So change the base to 2. Here, bases were changed to 3. In this case, they will be changed to 5 to figure out the answer. I hope this strategy helps you to solve similar exponential equations. Thank you and all the best.